Pesto hummus makes a fantastic spread on your favorite bread, dip for veggies, and even a pesto sauce for pasta. And it is super easy to make. The ingredients you need are 2 cups of soaked or canned garbanzo beans, 2 cups basil or basil sprouts, 1/2 cup of walnuts, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and about 1/4 cup of water. Add the ingredients to a food processor. Blend on medium speed. Stop and scrape down the sides as needed. It is finished when the basil is finely chopped and it reaches your desired texture. Spread on your favorite bread, make a dip, or mix 1 part hot water and 2 parts hummus pesto to add to your favorite pasta. Enjoy!